So, what is MagSafe? Well, it's Apple's technology introduced with the iPhone 12 that places a ring of built-in magnets around your internal wireless charging coil. This allows chargers, battery packs, and accessories to snap perfectly into position on the back of your phone without clips, clamps, or adhesive. And that's the reason why this, for example, automatically snapped into place right in the middle of my iPhone. MagSafe is primarily used for charging, but it's also used for a bunch of other accessories. Notice how on these two phone cases, for example, one is just kind of transparent and the other one's similar material but has a ring built in the case. That's basically the difference between a case that has MagSafe and one that doesn't. If you put a regular case around a phone that uses MagSafe, that case is going to weaken the magnetic connection. If you want to maintain that magnetic strength and charging ability, you'll want a phone case that has that MagSafe ring built into it. That way, even with the case being between your charger and phone, the magnetic connection stays strong and the wireless charging works flawlessly. These MagSafe-compatible cases are cheap, by the way, so no reason to not get one. There's also the Apple MagSafe Charger, like this one. Same idea, you just snap it onto the back and it automatically starts charging your phone. Now, I also want to mention, Apple laptops use MagSafe too. The term MagSafe is used for their entire ecosystem of magnetic charging, so even though you'll mostly hear it when talking about iPhones, a lot of the Apple laptop chargers are also called MagSafe Chargers, and they snap into place using magnets. Not every Apple laptop has MagSafe, but a lot of the recent ones do. Basically, MagSafe refers to this whole ecosystem of phone, laptop, and accessory attachments. Hope that clears it up, hope you like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all!